Thank you.
Nice to see you. Come on in. Hi, Esther. How are you?
Oh, I'm good, thank you. I only have an hour.
Okay.
But I was wondering if we can do anything about the color. I'm just not happy with it. The curls are looking a bit flat. There's no shine anymore.
I mean, we only have an hour.
Yeah.
But we do have like a 10-minute service. It's a Colorance gloss tone service.
Okay.
So the development is 10 minutes.
Okay, that sounds great.
Stunning. Come with us, guys. This is going to be absolutely banging.
Go.
Yes, it's so good.
Oh, love it.
10 minutes.
It's so shiny.
Yeah, it's so shiny and your curls are great. How much fun we have. We love it. Absolutely brilliant. So we use the Colorance gloss tones for 10 minutes. We use shade 6V, and that'll just kind of like fade out really gently because it's a demi-permanent tone. And it's super easy, and as you say, you've got so much shine, so much luster in your hair now as well. Oh, it's so good. Love it. Amazing. Thanks so much, Esther.
Thank you.
Take care.
You too.
Safe travels home. Bye, Gorge.
Bye.
Bye.